Hello friends, good day to you all. How are you doing? I believe you are doing fine and okay wherever you might be right now. I welcome you today to this channel. This is Lasojoni Talk. In today's video, I will be showing you how I am making $150. How I am making $150 minimum in a month. Minimum of $150 profit in a month trading Forex. So start making money online now. This is what I'll be sharing with you. As everybody knows that Forex is the biggest financial institution, biggest financial market in the world with more than 6 trillion US dollars. So you too can benefit from this big market. Is an avenue for you to generate passive or residual income. But one thing is that you can't trade Forex without having the technical know-how. That is, you need to have the technical knowledge on how to trade it, or else you are going to lose all your money, all your capital. So I will be showing you the strategy, the way whereby you can trade Forex and you can be assured of the minimum of $150 pure profit on your capital in just 30 days, that is in a month. So this is what I will be sharing with you guys in today's video. But before I proceed, once again I say welcome to Lasojoni Talk. This channel is all about financial education, so I'm here to give you financial education. I'm bringing it down to your doorstep. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video. And also, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on Lasojoni Talk, feel free to message me through my email. You can call me on phone, you can chat me up on my WhatsApp, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on financial educational videos, how to make money online. Okay, I would like to tell you that this channel is created to share with you some of the ways whereby I make money online personally, and also to warn you how to raise a warning flag on some suspicious or fraudulent online investments that are very, very rampant in our days. Okay, so because I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money, that is what prompted me to create an avenue like this. So if you have a video, if you have a platform that you want to dive into, you can send it to me so that I can review it for you and give my recommendation before you jump into such investment platform. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is how to make $150. I want to show you the way whereby I am making $150 trading Forex in a month. Okay, so quickly let me take you to the platform that I use. So this is Empire's X platform. So this platform, it has a particular bot. It has a particular robot which is used to trade Forex, because Forex is very, very difficult. I can't lie to you. It requires a high knowledge. It requires the technical knowledge of Forex, and for you to have this, you need to be trained over and over, and you need to have been using both demo and live account to trade. So all these things, they are somehow strenuous and they are time consuming. That is why this particular platform, they bring up a bot, that is a robot. It has been designed, it has been structured to give you the minimum of 30% on your capital in a month. And how can you achieve that? You achieve that by earning 1% of your capital in a day. So if you should earn 1% in a day, that means in a month you earn 30%. So now the minimum investment, the minimum capital is $500. So you making 1% of $500. Let's do the calculation. 500 times 1%. So that is, you are making $5 a day. times 30. Okay, sorry, $5 a day. 5 times 30, so that gives you $150. But if you have a capital more than this, so you will surely earn more than $150 in a month. So I'm going to run this bot now to show you how it works. So you can see in my dashboard I have $900 investments, in which the capital and the money for the bot are included, and I have this $149 just like a fuel to run the bot. So let me start the bot now to show you how it works. Okay, sorry, so that is not the bot. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back to show you the bot. It is Xbot, not BinBot. Network is a bit slow. Okay, so connect to Xbot. So that I will show you how it works now, and it is very reliable. It has been structured, designed to make 1% daily, so there is no room for greediness in this. You can't be greedy, so the element of greed has been totally dealt with. So that is how your 1% and 30% in a month is guaranteed, because majority of us, when we discover that we can make more than that 1%, we try as much as possible to run the bot, to run it over and over again. And since there's nothing like that, so that 1% is just the threshold, is the landmark. You can't go more than that in a day. So we can see that is how it works. So that is how it works. So it is so reliable to the extent that you can leave it and do another thing that you feel like. So there is no cause for alarm. Maybe it's going to wipe away your capital. Maybe you are going to lose all what you have acquired. There's nothing like that. As you can see, it is very efficient, very efficient. So you can see what I've made so far. I've made $35 so far. So you can see that is how I'm making money on daily basis, and at the end of the month I make $150 as easy as that. So you can make money in Forex, you can make money in binary option, but you just need to have the right tool, and one of the right tools to use is Xbot, that is Empire Xbot. It is very efficient. I have so many people that have been using it, and they are testifying positively to it. Okay, so if you can afford it, then you too can benefit from this. So you can benefit from this, and you can make your money every day. You can let your money to work for you. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is to start the bot. You need to start the bot on your own, and when the bot has achieved the 1% daily profit, it stops automatically. So there's no how you can alter it, and I'm very sure that you won't like to make less than 1%. So if you want to make less than 1%, then you can stop the bot, but without you stopping it, your 1% daily is guaranteed. It is 100% guaranteed, and in a month you are earning 30% of your capital. So let's assume you have $5,000 in your account. So that means you'll be earning 1,500 whopping profits in a month. So it is very sure, very sure. I've been using this and I can testify positively to this. Okay, so that is all about this bot. And if you feel like having a bot like this, you can just contact me on WhatsApp, you can chat me up, you can call me online, and also make sure you check the description box of this video. Because of the time, I can't continue with this video because it can take some more time before this finished. Any the 1% that it's gonna make. All right, so but till the next video, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, it's very, very important, and click on the notification bell, and also share with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.